It's a windy day on my boat dock. Today I'm going to be doing some work to install a security light up in that corner. I've got some existing floodlights, but this is going to provide motion-based lighting. So it's going to go on that circular mount. I'll show you the product. This was sent to me and they asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. And what it is, it's got a motion sensor built into it right here with a lot of LED lights that can be adjusted and tipped to be exactly where I need it to focus the light. They give you really clear instructions. They give you a quick install guide, which is helpful. It shows you just what you need to buy in case you don't have the mount already. And they give you the hardware you need to connect to a standard electrical mount and the unit itself. It's going to go on with basically one long screw right through the metal here and into the mounting base. They give you all the connectors you need and the wire nuts and whatnot. And this is fully adjustable, so these lights can tip like this, and it's all programmable. So if you take a look here, on this portion here, you've got some knobs, and these are going to do things like the brightness of the light, the timer for how long it comes on, how many feet away should it sense any intruders, and do you want it to go dusk to dawn or automatically come on when there's motion. So lots of configurability with this, as well as even using the light switch it might be connected to. If you connect this to a light switch, by flicking the light switch on and on multiple times, you're able to control the light and say, hey, switch from automatic mode to fully on mode. So very cool how this works. I'm going to get it all installed right now and we'll check it out. Here's what the lights look like activated. I had to just put my hand over the sensor to darken it out because it's still daytime right now, and the light will know that, and it won't work on motion until it's in the darkness, which is pretty good. And here I'm approaching the light at night, and as soon as I get in the field of view, which is 240 degrees, so it's a pretty wide spread, it detects my presence and turns on the lights, just as we expected. I hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day.